When Chef Jonathan Sawyer says, you gotta try the pizza at BIGA, you gotta try the pizza at BIGA. So we came out to Kirtland on 306 to BIGA, and I've got Dough Man. John Tulo is gonna show me how to make your pizza rustica. We gotta start with the dough, which means I gotta get my hands dirty. Where do we begin here, John?
At home, generally you're gonna use a lukewarm water to proof your starter first. We've got natural starter, which is the BIGA. In Italy, slang, they say BIGA in terms of a starter dough, a mother dough.
All right, so we're gonna put our starter in here. That's a sticky mother, right?
It is a sticky mother. Pour a little bit of your water into the salt, and the rest goes in the starter. We're just gonna break up the starter with the water. Now we would just take our salt. If you wanna just swirl that up, dump it right in there, and then add your flour. It'll come together, it'll no longer stick to the sides of the bowl when it's done.
That's your clue?
Yes. It's rested now for about 15 minutes after it was mixed for 12.
Okay.
And you just cut yourself off a rope. I'll show you one. We'll do it with one hand.
Okay.
I just give it a little fold so that I'm on the flour side, and then I just start turning it. It takes practice.
I think I'm making a mess here.
That's actually not too bad.
No?
So for the first time,
put a little more heel into it?
A little bit more pressure. It's all feel. Blind man would be perfect at this job.
So after a couple of hours of proofing?
Yes.
Or maybe 90 minutes at home, this is what they should look like?
Yeah. We're gonna spin the dough, and this isn't like you see on TV with the Italians.
No?
We've spent so much
what
time
a letdown.
now.
I thought that's what we were doing.
So you want to treat this like a nice airy cloud. Get it so that I know it's about the same without squishing too much out. And then I just pick up. And what you're going to do is start turning it. Let the weight of it stretch it versus you. This one.
Check it out.
All right.
Pizza pie.
At home, you would just stick it in your pizza pan, get it ready for the oven at home.
Okay.
They all get a little bit of olive oil, pinch of garlic, which will be about a half of a clove of garlic. And we're going to use two different cheeses on this pizza. The first one is a provolone out of Wisconsin. These are roasted marinated artichokes, a little bit of olive. Last, we're going to stick a little bit of pickled red onion. So last is the fun part for a lot of people is the fresh mozzarella. You want to put about 6 pieces around, thinking that they're going to melt into each slice.
There
you go. Now
indistinguishable between yours and mine. Okay, so we're ready to fire these babies up?
We're ready to go. Get it in there gently and just pull back. There you go.
Woo, I did it. All right.
If you want to get close to this style,
go
550 and know you're only going to have to bake it about 6 minutes and just watch it carefully. Okay.
That one's mine, I think, right?
Everything's going to get a pinch of sea salt. Now we're going to have fresh oregano pinched on top. And in this pizza, we use a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan. Finally, this is what we call buttering the crust.
Beautiful.
Ready to be eaten.
What are you eating?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute.
Can't beat that with a stick. That's awesome.
I can eat this every day. I do.
Do you? I think I could too.